so D is alive in South Korea, and this was not really on top of my bucket list, but I wanted to go and experience South Korea just for a short time. And of course, I had to try on their traditional wear, which is considered a hanbok. Now, there's a place that offers these traditional outfits right across from the Gyeongbok Palace. So I went there, pay a small fee, it wasn't too expensive. You have to bring your ID, and they hold on to it until you're ready to go. Any ID can work, driver's license, passport, whatever you choose, as long as you have your picture on it and a number stating what country you're from, so on. Anyways, so they got me dressed, which was awesome, and I looked totally adorable, and I even got to wear one of the crowns that one of the royal family wore back in the day. So there she is putting it on me, and it was extremely amazing, such a great opportunity. And then I went to the palace right across the road. It was great. I love it. Try it.